Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain or present my lesson plan. My name is Hawid Fawasat and my absent number is 25. Here is my lesson plan. It is for senior high school class 12 first semester, and the material is offering help. It is on basic competence number 3.1 and 4.1, and the skill is reading, writing and speaking, and the time allocation is one meeting. You can see the basic competence, and let's move to the indicate learning purpose because the indicator is the same as a learning purpose. The learning purpose, there are first, it is a student are able to understand the structure of text, social function and linguistic element of the of expression of offering help and also the response. And the second is student can identify the or finding the sentence that contain or express an offering help and also response. And the third one is students are able to create a conversation text about offering help and also the response. And the last one, students are able to apply the expression of offering help and also the response in daily conversation on communication in our in daily communication activity. Move. Here is the learning material. There is an offering help sentence and also response. There is a acceptance and reviews. You can see the PPT or you can pause it. The next, the next is about learning method. An approach that I use, it is a scientific approach and with a model of discovery learning, and a method is question and answer, discussion and also role play. And the next is learning media. The media, there are package book, assessment sheet, audiovisual, exam, and the last is example of conversation about offering help and also the response. And the tool that I use, it is a LCD projector, laptop, and stationery. And the next is about learning research. Here I use two learning research. The first one is package book. It is from Bahasa Inggris kelas lab kelas 12 Kementerian Pendidikan tahun 2018. And second is from video from YouTube. And if you interesting with the or interested with the video, you can click the link on my lesson plan. The next is about learning step. In learning step, there are 3 points. The first is opening, core activity, and also closing. The first is opening. It is like a basic opening, like teacher greeting, praying, checking the student and class, and giving overview and all. Let You can see the PPT. Let's move. The core activity, because we use scientific, there is 5 things. The first is observation. The observation, student, a teacher play the video using the projector about the offering help and also the response. It is from YouTube and the link is before you see that. And student observe the video and learn from the video about an offering help and also the response. After watching together the video, teacher give an explanation again about the material so student can more understand the material of offering help and also the response. The next part, there is an asking question. Teacher give an opportunity to student to ask question related to the material. So if there is a question, teacher must answer the question, and if not, we can move to the next part. There is a gathering information. In this part, teacher will give us several conversation text, and student will identify or define or find the sentence uh, that convey or express of an offering help and also respond. So student can underline or make a circle on the sentence that express an offering help and also uh, respondnya. The next is associate. In this part, teacher will ask the student to make a group. In a group, there are 4 members of student. In this group, student will make a conversation about an offering help and respond with a context. There is an out group context and even group context. You can see in the context you are the out group atau ganjil. You are doing the history project with your group at the library after school. Your best friend can't finish his or her part. Offer a help to do it together. And the event group genap, you work in a tour agency. You see a young gentleman enter your office awkwardly. Offer your service and try to convince him to take one of your holiday package. So student will make a conversation related in the context what they get. And the next part is a communicating. Student will practice the conversation that they have met before and in front of the class. So they practice to speak. It is to check speaking skill or improve speaking skill. And the next is closing activity. There is 10 minutes, and in the core activity there is 70 minutes. Sorry for not mentioning before. And the closing activity before the ending the learning, before teacher ending the learning, teacher will ask the student to open the book page 5 until 7 and ask the student to work the or do the homework of the book package book on page 5 until 7. There's a 10 question, so it is for homework. So in the next meeting it will be collected and it is untuk dinilai nantinya di pertemuan depan. And the next is teacher and listen by reading, by praying together and closing. Salam, wassalamualaikum gitu. And the next is assessment of learning outcomes. There is a knowledge and also skill. The knowledge, there is instrument. It is on package book on page 5 until 7 as I mentioned before. You can see the question. The question there is a and there's cara menilainya yaitu satu nomor sama dengan 2 skor. So the total score kali 5. And now we see the classification in the PPT. There is a very good, good, enough, not enough, and very less. The next is skill. The second assessment is about the skill. The first is reading. The instrument. In group before, student make a conversation related the contact that they get and the assessment. There is 5 thing. The first is accuracy of reading, content suitably, the coherence of text, choice of vocabulary, and grammar option. There is a score. There are score 5 until 1 until 5, and how to grade or assess. There is a 5 kan ada 5 kali 5 sama dengan 25 20, and then the score dikali 4 jadi jumlahnya 100. And you can see the classification in my PPT. There are very good, good, enough, and less. And the next is speaking skill. The instrument is like before in group. Students practice the conversation that they made, related the contact that they get, and for the assessment there is 4 things. The first is pronunciation, intonation, smoothness or fluent, and the last is accuracy of meaning. There are score 5 until 1, and the how to grade or score, the total will akan dikali 5, and nanti jumlahnya kan total ada 4 kali 5 sama dengan 20 kali 4 kali 5 sama dengan 20 kali 5 sama dengan 100. And you can see the classification score in my PPT. There is a very good, enough, and less. Move. There are remedial and also pengayaan. And the remedial, the instrument for students who not have a good score, they will have a remedial, and the instrument and the teacher will explain again about or giving an overview about the material of offering help and also the response, and then student will create again of the text of conversation text related the context that they get before, sama konteksnya. And for pengayaan, the instrument for student that have a good score, they will to improve their knowledge. Student will be asked for making a conversation again, and but the context is different. The context is, as you can see, a friend is absent because she's sick. You visit her this afternoon. Your friend needs your help to communicate with the teacher about an assignment that she hasn't finished yet. Offer her help. It is the same making a conversation, but in different context. Oh, I forget to mention. In remedial, the assessment rubric is almost the same as written assessment rubric. So, like before, I think it is the end of my presentation. Thank you for paying attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.